Hey, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be doing a bikini haul from Kinis. Timestamps are going to be in the description below for when certain suits begin and their reviews and packaging, all that stuff. I got you guys. If this is your first time to my channel and you like my vibe, I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know if you know, but I really love bathing suits. They're one of my favorite things to wear. I used to hate bathing suits because I felt very unconfident, uncomfortable in my body, and also my skin tone, because back in the day when I was growing up, people would bully me because I was so pale. So I just felt super uncomfortable going out in the beach at all, and I hated the beach. And now I feel like I've learned to embrace loving the beach and loving bathing suits. So it's a whole new side to me. What is Kinis? Kinis is founded by one of my favorite Instagram fitness people, entrepreneurs, and her name is Madalin Giorgetta. She is really awesome and cool, and her sister is awesome too. When I found out that Madalin was coming out with a bathing suit line that was not only high quality, beautiful, but it was also fairly sourced and in very good working conditions in Bali. So I had to get my hands on it. So I ordered 3 suits and we will talk about each one of them in depth, but here they are. First of all, I want to say that the packaging is absolutely stunning and beautiful. I think that I'm going to reuse this as a organizer in my dresser. I took out all of the bathing suits because who am I kidding? I couldn't wait for this video. So this is not a first impressions. This is more of a haul / review. And I have worn these outfits each to the beach or the pool. So I have like a real legit review for you. And if you're like, girl, you're in the US, ain't it cold there? And you're wearing a long sleeve shirt right now? Yeah, but I live in Florida, so sometimes it's like 50 degrees one day and then 85 the next, so. The package also comes with really cute stickers. This one says, "Hello, beautiful." And I love how each bathing suit is named after strong women. I feel like that's like super empowering and I love it. I think it's very cute. By the way, if you're watching this and you're like, girl, I don't feel confident in bikini, as cliche as it sounds, every body is a bikini body and it all starts from within. If you got confidence, you could wear whatever the heck you want. And I've seen people look beautiful and stunning in all sizes and shapes, so own that. Also inside the packaging box, you get a beautiful little card. And then you get a card that says, "I want you to know you are beautiful." That's awesome. I also want you guys to know that you're beautiful. And then you get these really cute stickers that I didn't notice until now because I honestly was just like, oh my god, let me put on the suit. And I forgot about it. But these are really cute stickers for, you know, if you use your planner or you journal or whatever. And then they have a body positive love letter. Has anyone told you that you look hot today? So this is really cute because if you see someone looking fine, as a lady, women supporting women is awesome. You'd be like, hey, has anyone told you you looking fine today? Oh, it says hot. Okay, I don't know who to send this to. Probably my closest friends, and if you're watching this, I'm sorry for ruining the surprise. Also very cute is that in each bathing suit that you buy that is printed, so not like a solid color, you get a scrunchie. First of all, these scrunchies, I've never had a high quality scrunchie before, but these are definitely high quality. I actually got this one wet like 2 days ago in the pool and it dries off. It's just like bathing suit material, but it's very high quality. It doesn't do any damage on your hair. So before I get into each specific bathing suit, I really want to start with sizing. So I have like a 37 hip, 26 waist, and 32, 33 chest size right now. So according to her website and how I've sized for myself, for bikini tops, I do small. For bikini bottoms, I do medium. And for the Grès one piece, I actually messaged them because I was like, do I go small or medium? I don't really know. And they're like, definitely size up. So I got a medium and I definitely needed a medium. So that was good. Definitely size up for that. If you run between sizes, pick the larger one. The first suit that I'm gonna go over is the Grès belted one piece. And this is in the shade Panthera. Now again, because it's in the Panthera shade, it comes with a little scrunchie, which I really love. I think that it's really, really, really cute. I love the low back and it's very cheeky for sure. It's double lined, which all of the bathing suits here are double lined, which is good because it won't be see-through. It's very high quality. I just love how it feels. And when I actually went in the pool with this 2 days ago, and it just felt really awesome. It didn't like feel uncomfortable at all or anything like that. It didn't feel like, I was scared that maybe I would pop out a little bit. But I didn't have that problem, and because the straps are adjustable, you can kind of make it work to your liking. So you could wear this one of two ways. You could wear it without the belt and then with the belt. And the belt is definitely very cute. I love the gold hardware. Very easy to put on once you know how to put it on. At first, I didn't know how to put it on, so I messed up a couple of times, but it's super easy. There is a backing right there. Boom. I'm gonna go on my honeymoon in 2 weeks to Jamaica, Haiti, and Mexico. And I'm obviously gonna be bringing these bathing suits along. Super excited and pumped for that. I love this suit a lot. I love the print. I think Panthera is a beautiful shade. I give this definitely a 9 out of 10. It would be 10 out of 10 if it just fit my top part a little bit better, but it's beautiful nonetheless. The next bathing suit I got was the Belle Bralette and the Jaya double high waist brief. And again, I got the briefs in medium and the bralette in a small. And this is in the color Sandy Polka. Now this bralette is my favorite top piece of the whole entire collection. Again, this is double lined and it looks very, very, very cute on all cup sizes in my opinion. I think that this is very versatile and I love it. Super, super duper obsessed. And then this is the Jaya double high waist bottoms or briefs. And I got this in a size medium, whereas the other one was a small. And again, super, super, super cute. Very high quality. I am obsessed with this so much. I give that bathing suit combo a 10 out of 10. It is so amazing, so perfect. In the words of Marie Kondo, it sparks joy. And then there is my last bathing suit that I'm reviewing, which is the Badu Bandeau and the Jaya double high waist brief. Clearly you can tell I'm obsessed with high-waisted stuff. It ain't no lie. This is in the color Persian red, which I absolutely adore and love. Again, this is double lined, but this does not have padding, so if you're uncomfortable with that, there's that. But I think because of the ribbing, it's not really necessary in my opinion. I am obsessed with this bathing suit top as well, and you could wear it one of two ways. It has a little bow. You could wear it with the bow, you could wear it without the bow. Once you figure out the clip, it is super easy to put on. This was in a size small, and you can even double this as a hair tie. So I'm gonna show you looks with that and other looks. I think that this bathing suit is very versatile because you can wear it basically like 3 ways. And the Jaya double waist high brief, obsessed. Very, very cute. I love the quality of the fabric. It feels so amazing. I'm gonna give this suit a 10 out of 10. Super in love. I love it so much, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I hope you found this video super informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I super duper appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. Bye!